Second year English, lecture number 51, topic Hitchhiking Across the Sahara, chapter number 12. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Second year class, how are you all students? I hope you all fine with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I say welcome to all of you in my class. Dear students, let's start our today's topic. And beta, as you know that we are studying our chapter number 12, Hitchhiking. And in previous lecture, what did we read, beta? We read that how Christopher, he faced a lot of problems and difficulties while fulfilling his ambitions that he wanted to reach. He wanted to go to Timbuktu as it was his childhood desire. Okay, beta? So let's start. There was only one tin of food left in Christopher's pack, and the four of them shared the beans it contained. Now, as we know that, beta, the professor, he sent with him a guide, and there were also two persons with him, beta, and they all shared the food that Christopher had with him, and there were four people, and the food and the water, it was quite, you can say, in a शॉर्टेज थिंग. ठीक है, एक उनकी शॉर्टेज थी बेटा पानी की और उसके खाने की. एंड द फोर पीपल दे वर शेयरिंग इट. सो व्हाट हैपन विद देम नेक्स्ट, दैट देयर वाज ओनली वन टिन ऑफ फूड. सिर्फ एक टिन बेटा, एक टन खुराक जो थी वो एक टिन आप कह लें, एक डिब्बे में खुराक जो थी वो उनके पास रह गई थी, लेफ्ट इन क्रिस्टोफर्स पैक. एंड द फोर ऑफ देम शेयर द बीन्स इट कंटेन्ड, और उन चारों ने बेटा वो बीन्स शेयर करने थे जो कि उसमें मौजूद थे. सो हिज गाइड्स कैरीड नो फूड एट ऑल एंड वेरी लिटिल वाटर. ओके, बाय द टाइम डार्कनेस केम, क्रिस्टोफर्स वाटर सप्लाई वाज डाउन टू 1 liter. As with the passage of time, beta, Christopher's water supply, it was getting down and down, and it remained just to 1 liter. So at this point 20 large vultures were discovered, and these stood watching the travelers with interest. Okay beta, इस मौके पर क्या हुआ कि they saw that there were many vultures and they were discovered, and these stood watching the travelers with interest. And these vultures किसको कहते हैं बेटा? गिद्ध को कहते हैं उर्दू में. ठीक है, और they are found in abundance in the desert. और desert में ऐसे सहराव वीरानों में बेटा these kind of animals are found in a great number. Okay, so at this point 20 large vultures were discovered. उन्होंने देखा कि 20 बड़े बड़े vultures जो थे बेटा वो वहाँ पे मौजूद थे. And these stood watching the travelers, और बेटा वो travelers को देख रहे थे with interest because they wanted to eat them. So making up their minds whether they wanted white or dark meat for the meal, they were sure they were soon eating. So beta, it was the thinking of Christopher that he thought that the vultures may be thinking of the white or dark meat. Beta, white or dark meat की उसने बात क्यों की है? Because Christopher, he was a white man and his guides, they were black men. So he thought that the vultures, they were thinking about their meal. Okay, next paragraph. The vultures were to be disappointed. The four men went to sleep early. उनको बेटा कहते हैं कि disappoint होना पड़ा because they soon fell asleep. A desert custom when travelers are hungry or thirsty. बेटा, it was a desert custom. जब hungry और thirsty होते थे तो travelers they got asleep. Okay, and next morning was still alive. They had just enough water left to make 1 cup of tea each, and then set off for the next water hole about 5 hours distant. और बेटा उनके पास कितना पानी रह गया? It was just to make 1 cup of tea each. सिर्फ चारों के लिए एक कप टी का बनाने के लिए बाकी रह गया था. And then set off for the next water hole. और उसको next water hole के लिए set off mean they departed, वो रवाना हुए next water hole के लिए, next कुएं के लिए पानी के. And it was at the distance of 5 hours. ठीक है. So when they reached it just before the hottest part of the day, they found that this too, like the previous hole, was completely dry. So what happened with them, beta? That the next water hole was also dry, and the next water hole was 2 days away, and the travelers now had neither food nor water. The future looked grim. So it was with them that the next water hole was 2 days away, 2 दिन की जो है वो दूरी पे था बेटा वाटर होल, एंड द ट्रैवलर्स नाउ हैड नीदर फूड नॉर वाटर, ना उनके पास पानी था ना ही खाना था. ओके, एंड द फ्यूचर इट लुक्ड ग्रीम. ग्रीम मीन बेटा देयर वाज नो होप टू लिव मोर. खौफनाक था, ड्रेडफुल था, हॉरिबल था. ओके, नेक्स्ट बेटा. सो देयर वाज जस्ट वन चांस ऑफ सर्वाइवल. सर्वाइवल मीन टू लिव. सिर्फ उनका बेटा देयर वाज वन चांस लेफ्ट फॉर देम, एंड वन ऑफ द 6 camels could be killed. The decision was made. Christopher being asked to pay his share of the cost, to which he willingly agreed. No beta, what they decided next, that because they had nothing to eat and nothing to drink, so they decided to slaughter one of the 6 camels. Okay, so क्रिस्टोफर बीइंग एस्क्ड टू पे हिज शेयर. जब क्रिस्टोफर को कहा गया कि वो अपने हिस्से का जो है वो रकम दे या अपने हिस्से की कीमत चुकाए, तो उसने क्या किया बेटा, टू विच ही विलिंगली अग्रीड, और वो जो है वो अग्री हो गया उस पर. स्ट्रेंजली इनफ, एज सुन एज कैमल वॉज पिक्ड फॉर द स्लॉटर, it seemed to know what was to happen and started screaming at the top of its voice. As you know that beta, when the animals get slaughtered, so they cried aloud because they know it what was happening to them in the next. So did the same the camels, and they started screaming at the top of their voice, mean to say with full strength they started screaming. उन्होंने ऊंची ऊंची आवाज़ में चीखना शुरू कर दिया. Clear? Okay. When the victim was killed, the liquid in its stomach was caught in a water bag by the slave. Okay beta, when the victim mean when the camel, when he was killed, the liquid in its stomach, उसके बेटा stomach में आपको पता है कि the camel they can store food in their stomach for many days. Okay, food and water. So that's why beta they killed the animal, that they could get water from his stomach, but it was not a pure water because it was get mixed with the internal part of the camel. जो भी उसके अंदर बेटा होती हैं चीज़ें उसके साथ वो मिक्स होकर किसी और फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो चुका था. So the liquid in its stomach was caught in a water bag. उसको बेटा water bag में ले लिया गया by the slave. It would be hard to think of a less appetizing drink than a greenish fluid. Oh my God! Like thin blood produced from this source. Okay beta, अब कैसा था बेटा, it was like thin blood and its color was greenish. Okay, so it was not worthy to drink, but they had to drink because they wanted to live. So even the Taurus made faces as they drank it. The Taurus people थे बेटा, even they made faces. They don't like to eat it, to drink it, but they had to drink, so they drank it. Christopher could not tackle it, parched though he was, until he had boiled it. Okay बेटा, कह रहे हैं कि जो parched mean dry या burnt, although Christopher was quite, you can say, thirsty, but he was not agree to drink that fluid in its original form, so he preferred to boil it. उसने उसको boil करना को prefer किया, and even then he had to hold his nose while he drank it. Okay बेटा, so he had to hold his nose, उसको अपना नाक even के पकड़नी पड़ी while he drank it, जब वो उसने उसको पीने के लिए, because its smell was too much, you can say, strange, and it was not easy to drink that fluid. Okay, so somehow he got it down. किसी ना किसी तरह बेटा उसने उसको मैनेज कर लिया, उसको पी लिया, एंड टुगेदर विद द कैमल्स फ्लैश द अनएपिटाइजिंग लिक्विड केप्ट देम गोइंग फॉर अनदर 2 days. अनएपिटाइजिंग मीन नॉट एपिटाइजिंग, टेस्टलेस. ठीक है, टेस्टलेस था, सो इट मेड देम केप्ट अलाइव फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 days. The region through which they were passing was known as the land of thirst and death, and the name was well chosen. Now what is the author is saying to us, that the region, the area from where they are passing down was well known as the land of thirst and death. उसको land of thirst and death कहा जाता था. Okay, thirst mean प्यास and death mean मौत. प्यास और मौत की सरजमीन उसको कहा जाता था, and the name was well chosen. Its name was quite right. It was an area notorious for sandstorms as well as for dried up water holes. So beta, what was famous in those areas? That there were sandstorms. Sandstorm समझते हैं, जो रेत के तूफान होते हैं. Notorious mean infamous, okay, ill-famed. और वो किस लिए जो है वो बदनाम था, या उसको किस लिए उसका नाम ख़राब था? Because there were a lot of water storms and dried up water holes. So Christopher soon experienced one of them. Shortly after the midday stop on the following day, the camels all instinctively turned off their course to the right. Instinctively mean inherently, instantly, naturally, because the animal, they, you can say, come to the any danger as rapidly as the man, कि इंसान से बेटा ज़्यादा जल्दी जो है मैं जानवर उस चीज़ को कर लेते हैं, उसको सूंघ लेते हैं खतरे को. So with the same with the case with the camels, because they were the, you can say, animals who were quite used with the desert and with that windstorm. जो उसके स्टॉर्म्स में आते थे, सैंडस्टॉर्म आते थे, उनमें उनसे ज़्यादा फेमिलियर वो कैमल थे एज़ कम्पेयर टू क्रिस्टोफर. ओके, सो क्रिस्टोफर soon experienced one of them. Shortly after the midday stop on the following day, the camels, जो मैंने पढ़ लिया है, camels all instinctively turned off their course. उन्होंने कोर्स में अपना वे, रास्ता उन्होंने जल्दी चेंज कर लिया, making for the nearest depression in the waste of sand. और उन्होंने जो है वो उसको दूसरी तरफ, मेकिंग फॉर द नियरेस्ट डिप्रेशन, दूसरी तरफ बेटा इन द वेस्ट ऑफ सैंड, जो बियाबान था, रेत का सहरा का जो बियाबान था, उसकी तरफ वो बढ़ना शुरू हो गए. द रीज़न प्रेजेंटली बिकम क्लियर टू क्रिस्टोफर एज ही गेज्ड एट द होराइजन. जैसे उसने होराइजन को देखा, होराइजन मीन्स स्काई लाइन, रेंज ऑफ विजन. व्हेन ही सॉ इट, ही केम टू नो दैट अ सैंडस्टॉर्म वाज अप्रोचिंग. So it was incredible. The dunes seemed to be on fire, the peaks was melting away, and the whole horizon was changing shape. Then as it started to get dark, I heard a sound like wind blowing through the leaves of a tree. So बेटा, क्या उसने कहा कि रेत के, ये चीज़ नाकाबिल यकीन थी कि रेत के टीले आग की लपेट में आ गए. ऐसे there was some fire and the whole horizon was changing shape. जो horizon था, it was changing its shape. So it seemed to Christopher. His companions made signs for him to hide himself behind his camel and cover his head. अब उसके companions को क्या इशारा किया? That he should hide himself behind his camel and he should cover his head. He did so, but the force of the storm when it struck was too great to be avoided. So जब वो तूफान उनसे टकराया, so it was quite heavy. Even with the camel's body as a shield, I could feel the impact of the wall of sand that came streaming along the earth. वो कहते हैं कि ऐसे मुझे आवाज़ आई जैसे कि छोटी जब टकराता था तो इसकी ताकत इतनी ज़्यादा होती कि इससे बचा नहीं जा सकता था. हत्ता कि ऊँट के जो I could feel the impact of the wall of sand, जैसे रेत की बेटा एक दीवार होती है, उसका उसने इम्पैक्ट फील किया. दैट केम स्ट्रीमिंग अलोंग द अर्थ, जो कि ज़मीन से उड़ता हुआ या ज़मीन के साथ साथ एक बहती हुई वॉल आ रही थी. सो इट वॉज द फीलिंग्स एंड इट वॉज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ क्रिस्टोफर दैट ही फेस्ड while reaching to Timbuktu, that he imagined when he was little child that he would go one day to that distant place. Okay beta, I hope you have all well understood, and if you find any difficulty, any problem, you can ask me and inshallah I will try to solve your problems. And beta, I will wait for your feedback, and till next lecture, stay blessed, remember me in your prayers, and Allah Hafiz.